the impact just never sat right with me. I could never get around that he was hit in the neck, but then his shirt is moving and expanding, mushrooms out on both sides. During my filming, you can see that the shirt does move, but it tightens across the front and moves in the back. And so it expands in the back, and that's from the projectile exiting and all of the debris and everything that's coming from that. So we don't see the same kind of expansion where it kind of mushrooms out on both sides. Then when we actually are shooting something where it's not impacting the shirt at all, so in the neck, you don't get any movement on the shirt. So there's obviously something going on there. So what I did is I took a couple of my firearms and I put the muzzle inside of the shirt. And when we do that, you can see a very similar expansion of the shirt when we have an explosion going inside the shirt instead of a projectile coming from outside the shirt.